guys, so welcome to today's show. So my name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. I'm Ben Jacobs, so be one of our super monitoring spirits with the out there. So Baba come outside and let us know say Mudryk, the very desperate to play for Arsenal against Manchester United. So they want to make sure say they don't sign up before the January 22 match so that they can go participate for that particular match. So in short, the first match will be one play, now be the North London derby. Even in teammates, they already project a long time ago so because Mudryk go score in first North London derby goal. But because the unfortunate say the deal never they concluded by then. But inside with him now in the look say him go dey Arsenal by the time they go play that Manchester United so that he go participate because Man U is a very big brand of world football and he would like to play against them. You get so now Arsenal Shakhtar hand the day where they make him dream and him wish come true, and this one called they give us some kind vibe to let us know say behind the scenes this guy they put fire for them David Serena and their president Bom say I need to leave this country, I won't go that Arsenal make I go play against Manchester United because no be everything they happen behind the scenes. Now we they hear you get now the one we enter Fabrizio Romano here or maybe Ben Jacobs or Gianluca the whatever whoever they monitoring spirit they monitor everything. Now the one we enter their ear now they will tell us again. So more just be very optimistic. Like me, I just get one kind of hope shot say the guy go play against Man U. The way Man U they deploy Anthony against us early in the season. Get so we just watch as everything they go as we monitor proceedings. So away from that, so the FA don't fine Arsenal £40,000 get for that Newcastle handball reaction. We handball touch Newcastle player hand, all of us come to run say penalty, all those kind of things you get. We then gather the referee, so they don't fine Arsenal. So we should be now tell now before say last now fine they go fine us. I know say they don't give us another FA charge again against this Oxford United, so I'm expecting another fine, maybe another £40,000 fine, or maybe then go waive them. Want to say they don't fine us before. I never really know more. Just keep a close eye on the situation. The same thing way Arsenal do. Other clubs they do more. Don't say other people don't do them. But I don't know why they can't focus their lens on Arsenal. I can't really explain why. Oh, it is what it is. Odegaard and Mikel Arteta don't win the manager and the player of the month award of December. I guess for those who are aware, they don't win them, and this is the don't take away like Arsenal manager and Arsenal player win manager of the month and player of the month. Last time it happened, and when Arsene Wenger and Olivier Giroud win them long time ago. So now it don't happen again. We are very happy and now well deserved because the Odegaard win the likes of Saka, Haaland and the rest gets because we really did well. Odegaard played very well in vision. When they orchestrate things for the middle of the park, come on, you know if you deny him now. The guy he had a fantastic December. You get so much just the watch. Our prayer and make it replicate the same form for this January. Like the next two games, we'll make sure say if we win the two more, even collect one draw and one win, I will be satisfied. That not London derby. We will go there and we see draw. I will be very satisfied because it don't pay. Oh, go there. Oh, collect results. That place, easy to go. Then if we can't win, it will bust by that. So we just watch. So away from that, so for the media setting, they probably ask Antonio Conte about Arsenal, the Arteta touchline antics. So we think get to talk about that one. So Baba can talk say him no get issue about that one because Arteta just be like him. Saying with Arteta they the same. When it comes to touchline antics, say they channel their passion into the game. You get like it's visible. You can see that they are passionate about the sport. Say go like this way, coach will just sit down for where they sit down. You know go know what they happen. You know go come involved. Now people they get involved. Go see Pep go sit down. Later go stand up. Go there. Go they know what the sub. They give them direction. You go. But Arteta won't be say they always do there from start to finish. Now just say on a few occasions we see go sit down. Conte they always stand there safe. If they score it go mad. All those kinds of things. Say with Arteta for that respect, then did the same thing again. So you don't get any issue. You won't be saying make the team no go escalate like when it comes to they get verbal altercation with the opposition manager or maybe the referee. And that one I like. Can give himself an example now. She being with Tuchel. Tuchel get issue now when Conte they play with Chelsea. Where Tuchel only and drag say come back here, I'm talking to you. All I say you do anyhow. Oh, I remember that match. It's mad. They will see Chelsea go score. Tuchel go run, almost run the entire length of the pitch. Come here, Conte. They don't. Sports I go score, Conte go run. Come on, it's just sweet that day, but this is what it is, sha. Hopefully, no matter. I'm able to walk out self, don't come outside, call the talk, say for this North London derby, say they tip Arsenal to beat Spurs. And apart from that, say Arsenal gets everything we take to win the EPL league this season again. Because last time we win the league now like 2004. We don't tell 2004 to 2014. And 10 years with that too. Then from 14 to 22 to 23. Man, you say you don't play gone. So in the talk, say they say Arsenal winning it. That's why Arsenal they plan to buy some kind of people who go assist them to win this league this season. It is possible, you get. So we'll just see how they go. Me, I they praise my team. If they feel win up, we go mad. Our bragging rights go at least will increase more. Because I think that self come outside, can give injury updates. So for the media setting, Baba can explain, say people like Bukayo Saka, then they okay. So anybody they fear whether Saka go play North London derby, I will not go play is very much okay. Now people like Gabriel Jesus, because they say for Jesus own, he go still they recover. He's progressing very short. He's working very hard to make sure he comes back on time. Again, I would say Gabriel Jesus they do, but Baba no put a timeline on when Jesus go come back. All he gets to tell us the guy they train very hard so that he go come back, come play for Arsenal. So 5 weeks don't go, and like week 6 now we did now. I remember that tell us say between 10 to 12 weeks. So let's keep your fingers crossed. The guy know they work out with the aid of any crutches or whatever again. Person on the ride bicycle for training. We say I'm saying they work on the muscle, make everything they heal, they chop the right food again. Before you know, the guy don't come back. And when he come back, the dilemma is going to be who will now start between Gabriel Jesus and Eddie Nketiah, because especially when now Eddie Nketiah they score. If they score goal low, nobody they complain again. So who is going to start? Because some people talk say Gabriel Jesus go fit bully defenders more than Eddie Nketiah. But once me and who they discuss that, people like me and Manny now they discuss them. What can the talk say? The team will say if Arteta bench this Eddie Nketiah now, many Arsenal fans they will support that decision. Even though Eddie Nketiah they score more goals, they will support that decision. Say, main bench, and because the love we then get for Gabriel Jesus and the trust and the belief we then get for Gabriel Jesus, it is somehow higher than the belief and the trust we then get for Eddie Nketiah. Even though Eddie Nketiah is putting more goals than Gabriel Jesus, well, let's just see how it goes. Our Patrice Evra said don't come as I call the talk. Say for this North London derby match we in the sea. Saying they see Arsenal beating Spurs, saying they see Arsenal will collect 3-1 for that new Tottenham Hotspur stadium, because Arsenal never ever scored goal for that new stadium since when they renovate them and change them again. So that place now brookie ground for us. They did very difficult. So but Spurs get some kind of injury players, all those kind of Richarlison no go play. Kulusevski just come back from injury. All those Rodrigo Bentancur, then they Son, Kane, they get good attack, but their defense are shit back. I get, especially all those that fullbacks. Will lick all those on like a pot of soup. All those that fullback they go here and for hand. But make them not come play defensive, then they go make them come outside. Maybe say come outside and let the best team win. Don't be to play negative football, come pack 10 men behind the ball. I don't want to hear that one. But don't see how the match will be now tomorrow now. And don't forget it today, the Manchester derby. I think that early kickoff for Nigerian time like 1:30. Manchester United versus Man City. That match, I would be very interested in that match. I would support Manchester United, make them collect points for that Man City hand. I would be very happy. A draw or a loss for Man City is okay for me. But just the watch as it could be. However, Chris Sutton, now come and say he predicts in own for this North London derby, because they talk say, what's him they see? They say Arsenal go wipe Tottenham. They go use Tottenham wipe the floor. You get what that one mean? They say they will knock them well, like maybe not 3-0, 4-0, as in beat them well to show say we know Bonner mates get. Arsenal they use like 11 points to gap Spurs with one game outstanding for Spurs head. We know the gulf in class between the two teams this season. As in we know they play for this season you get. Even though we don't lose Gabriel Jesus, people don't they talk say Arsenal go crumble like a pack of cards, this and that. But we can't prove everybody wrong. Say Gabriel Jesus don't mean be Arsenal, you get. Arsenal are a collective team. Collectively now we play. We are a team, not individual, you get. That's why we try. We are still playing very well, still winning our games. At least we never lose now since we Gabriel Jesus come out. So we are still playing very well. So maybe they see how this North London derby match will be. Anyhow it will be, we'll come away with a win. One of our media personalities, where they call Eduardo Hagen, they'll come outside and let us know say Ivan Fresneda don't choose Arsenal. Say he would like to join Arsenal again. I know say many people they go for Newcastle they go for the other clubs, but you don't choose say Arsenal. And you see why Arsenal is an attractive proposition for many players is the fact that as a youngster, because Ivan Fresneda is like 18-19 years old and they play for Real Valladolid, he's a fullback, can play left back, can play right back, very good. So as a youngster, you're going to look say where do you stand a chance of playing? Where the manager know they look age, they look at skill and ability. What are you bringing to the table? Now Arsenal, where else? You get Arsenal, like this, even if you are 18, even if you are 19, as long as you are delivering the goods, they will play you. And if our Fresneda will be say they play for River Ladolid week in week out, now regular, now start IB, they play very well. Everybody they scamper. What do you expect? You get so that's why Arsenal don't show their interest, because remember there was a time I told you Gabriel Jesus won't come out go Fulham and their salary. Now it's really disturbed. And Gabriel they earn like £75,000 per week. Marco Silva, who is the coach of Fulham, the talk say we need to reduce that money, because you can't the same money they earn for us now. You go carry the same money when you come here. See the wine meaning. You need to reduce and take a pay cut so that we can sign you. So that deal can still happen anytime, maybe ending of January. It can still happen. You get they see they look themselves. So Arsenal look for a replacement. But for me, I'll say whether Suarez go or not, but they still get that Fresneda, because the guy is very, very young for the future. So, but Arsenal I'm saying making chill. Say they are coming back for him. They will sign him. Let them conclude this Mudryk deal. After they wrap up Mudryk deal, then they will go for him. So I just pray say the guy go be very, very patient. Say they will sign him, but no fear. And this January. So away from that, so we can't get one emergency update to see yesterday. Trossard agent, Leandro Trossard of Brighton agents, come as I can drop one statement where they explain the way the manager De Zerbi they treat Trossard for that Brighton. Say Trossard now wants to leave Brighton. In short, as I tell you like this now, Trossard don't come up for England. Trossard is in. So even with the manager don't get fallout, as in their relationship has gone beyond repair. The guy contract remained like 6 months before and was planning to sign an extension, but they can't get an altercation, which can't happen. And even to the extent we say the manager plan say no one see him again. The manager ostracized the guy, come out from the group, try make him with a train alone. He can't miss the match against who they play? I think Everton. He missed Everton match, he missed Middlesbrough for cup, and now for the match against Liverpool he's supposed to play today, then go miss him. And that match was another match I was looking forward to, because for the reverse fixture where they play for Anfield, they played 3-3 and Trossard scored a hat-trick in that match. So I was looking forward to the fact that Moses Casado don't come back, then the other guy will win Argentina World Cup don't come back, then Trossard they like everybody completes, and for their home they take no nonsense. I was expecting to find a very good match. When they say Trossard no go play for that match, so the guy vex but talks in short, the best thing that can help us out now is a transfer. I want to leave and we are praying for Brighton to cooperate to get. So now he has left the UK, so no one stay for Brighton again, he won't come out. So now it is between Arsenal and all those kind of Manchester United and Spurs. In short, now Arsenal and Spurs now really they interested and they don't discuss with the representatives in the past. So now many people now have turn their eye on this Trossard, because the guy is a very, very good number 9. So I don't know how it will be, but Arsenal will move for him as a third striker that we will have. I don't just know, more just the watch, just the monitor everything they go around Trossard. Then the days where Arsenal go play Man City for the cup, you get the FA Cup don't come aside now on the 27th, and we will play for the Etihad Stadium, which means after we don't play this Manchester United, we will play Man City, which is our next 3 matches now Spurs, Man U, Man City. That's how we will play them, get. So me I don't fear, I don't say for that kind of Man City we will deploy our new boy now. Our new boy for that Man U, Man City will deploy and we'll see what we go do there. So I just get highly optimistic, say we no go lose. I just get that hope, sha. Well, depending on how they play, the kind of form will they come out of the Manchester United match and this Tottenham Hotspur, that will determine how we approach that particular match and the kind of people who use to play that match again. Because you don't expect us to use our first 11 EPL team to go play that match. I don't know how Arteta will set up. The way when they set up, that will determine the kind of results we'll get. So until we see the lineup on that day. So Paul Merson himself can't come as I can explain. Say many teams will come Emirates now to come play negative football. Say Newcastle don't show them the way. Say when you're coming to Emirates, if you come say you want to play attacking football with them, you go collect. Get. So the best thing you need to do is come here, play 10 men or 11 men behind the ball, and make sure that you cut off all their chances and all their supply. Do rough tackle to delay play, and at the end of the day, you go home with 1 point, and that's okay for you. So now waiting for Merson they talk, and myself I see now waiting to happen, because the way teams approach Man City at the Etihad is the way teams are going to be approaching Arsenal at the Emirates Stadium, because they're going to look say this Arsenal side, let's say they don't knock anybody for you, no go dey easy. But at the same time, people going to look and say will be small, because when you look at Arsenal team, you see some kind of small number, you say I can overrun these people now. But now when match starts, you go know say they don't be your mates. Get. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out.